Oh, hey everyone, this is Excellent Labor here. Today is day 101 of the house building project. Today I wanted to share with you how I found a way to get 0% financing to build part of the house I'm currently building. I know most of you guys probably already know the benefits of 0% financing versus a loan with interest attached. So whenever you take out a loan or get financing for anything, there's typically interest attached. So what that is that's how the bank or the person giving you a loan is making money off you essentially. So right now, the current rate I'm paying for my business loan to do what I'm doing is 6.5. So it's always in my best interest to find any kind of other financing that's better than the 6.5. What I found is the 0% is available on different cards. And with this 0% deal, you cannot do it for the whole project unless you make bukus of money. This is only effective for a fraction of the house. You need great credit or good credit, but you may not qualify for as much money. And you have to have a income. Have too much debt, this isn't gonna really work.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos.
Watch this video to the end to see the progress I made on day 101 on the house building project. So with what I'm going to share with you on how I did it, and this is a big disclaimer, is this is not financial advice. This is just my experience. Okay, so let me get into meat and potatoes of this video. Every so often, Home Depot will send out these promotions for 0% for 24 months. Or just to share with you how powerful this is. So $20,000 at a 6.5% interest rate is going to cost you about $108.33 a month. So if you got that 6.5 down to zero, you're going to save about $2,599.92 to put towards upgraded floor, upgraded cabinets, anything, and that increases your home's value. So if you think of the time it takes to apply for a card and get approved, you cannot make that kind of return anywhere else that I'm aware of. So you may be wondering, hey, what about other places other than Home Depot? How can I get 0% there? Well, I'm about to share that with you too. So the other card I opened up is the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Their promotion is 15 months of 0% interest. With this card, you can pay for things that you can find better deals elsewhere, like Lumber Liquidators, the Roof Center, Frogale, other businesses other than Home Depot, which typically have better bargains. Another benefit to opening a Chase Freedom Unlimited card is they gave me $150 cash back for spending $500 in the first 3 months of opening the Chase Unlimited Freedom card. It's pretty easy to do when you're building your own house. This process of using cards for financial gain, using their promotions, is also known as credit card churning, which I don't consider myself to be a big credit card churner. So when using this Home Depot and Chase Freedom card deal, I figured my best bet would be to make sure whatever I put on the card, I can back up with a pre-existing loan or some other cash source. So if it came around the balance is still on the card after 24 months or 15 months, I have a means of paying it off, even though it might be a higher interest rate than zero, but that way you don't get slammed with the 15 to 20%. You're probably wondering why these cards would offer such benefits for signing up. And the answer that I'm pretty sure is, this isn't on behalf of the credit card companies themselves, but the people that abuse these cards and don't have the money and don't pay them off are financing the ones that do use them responsibly, because they're getting slammed pretty hard with high interest after 24 months or 15 months. Hey, this is one of those times where you get rewarded for being responsible. So currently I'm in the process of refinancing my business loan and getting a lower rate, and I'll have more on that in a later video. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's how you can get part of your house financed at 0% interest. So if you're interested in learning money saving tips while building your own house, subscribe to this channel and I will be updating videos daily as I build the house. Check out the description below this video to see the link to the Chase Freedom card if you're interested in it. Okay, now this is the progress from day 101. My batteries ran out, so I didn't get to record everything. see here, I'm just tying together the ground wires and getting these switches put together. More or less what I got done today was stripping the wires out of the receptacles and switches and tying together the grounds. I got almost everything done except for the garage and the outside receptacles. Alright, that fan light switch is finished. On to the next fan light in the bedroom. And right here I'm just cutting little 7-8 inch pieces of wire used to come out of the pigtails for the switches. Okay, I just wanted to try another camera view, so now I'm going through and tying together the grounds and stripping the wires on the receptacles next to the floor.